Welcome back to Draw with Sean. It's wonderful to see you again. Today we're going to continue on drawing another sea creature. This is a really big sea creature. Can you guess what it is? This is going to be a whale. So grab your drawing utensil and let's get started. We're going to be drawing our whale, starting with a really big body. So watch what I do here. I'm going to start at the tail and draw my line up and around. Watch what I do, and then I want you to try to repeat what I'm doing here. So I'm going down, and then this is his big body. There's all sorts of whales in the ocean, and this is going to be one of them. So look what I did here. I drew a line down, and then up and around, and back up, close to the other one. We didn't make them touching, and I'll show you why. And if this didn't turn out the way you wanted it to, no problem. Just grab another piece of paper and start over. I do that all the time. It's okay to make mistakes and to not get it right the first time. And most of the time, it takes a bunch of tries to get it right. So if your whale shape didn't turn out the way you want, just grab another piece of paper. Okay, let's draw our whale tail. And watch the shape that I create here. This is going to go up and down, and up and down, just like that. And this is the back of his tail, so he can swim in the water and move himself forward. And whales can even jump in the air. It's called breaching. And they jump up and they splash in the water. It's the coolest thing to see. Now let's draw a little whale fin. And this is sort of going to look like a leaf. Watch what I do here. Down. Just like that. That's going to be his whale fin or her whale fin. This can be a girl whale or a boy whale, whatever you would like. And now let's draw an eye. And this is just going to be a circle, just like that. And I'm going to draw a smile. Now, of course, whales don't have a little smile like this. Some whales have really big mouths. They can open up really wide. There's all different shapes and sizes of whales. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes from his nose to the eye, then down to the fin, and then all the way down to the tail. And then I'm going to draw some other lines. You don't have to do this part, but this is going to be the belly of the whale. Some whales have these lines underneath them, so I'm going to draw it on my whale. Now we need to draw an eyeball on this whale. I realize that we're forgetting this. And I'm going to give a little eyebrow to our whale. And the last thing I would like to draw is some water shooting out of our whale. So I'm going to draw 2 lines up. Whoosh. And then I'll draw 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Our whale is shooting water out the top of his head. Isn't that fascinating that whales do that? That's one of the ways they breathe and get the oxygen out. Excellent. And the next and final step that I want you to do on your own is to color in your whale. And you can use any color you'd like for your whale. So how do you feel about what you just created today? Are you proud of it? Did it turn out the way you wanted it to, or does it look a little different? I want you to know that I am proud of you. Let's put our name on this drawing together. Do you know why it's important that we put our name on our drawings? Because you took the time to do your best and you finished what you started. And that is something very special. Remember, keep practicing, take your time, and always be proud of what you create, even when it doesn't turn out exactly as you imagined. You are perfectly you, always learning and getting better. I can't wait to draw with you again, and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram. Draw with Sean is a brand new channel, and your support makes a big difference. Liking and subscribing really helps us grow and reach more kids, and it truly means the world to me. I can't wait to see and share what you've all created.